Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the YouTube request contains and inbuilt argument error. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now search here YouTube and tap on the YouTube. Scroll down. Now tap on the force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and search for YouTube and check update your YouTube. My YouTube already updated. Okay, and now open your YouTube and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.